Are you looking for the best doghouses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best doghouses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Petsfit Doghouse. Constructed with finished spruce wood, weather-resistant asphalt shingles, and stainless steel parts, the Petsfit wooden doghouse's solid construction makes it a clear standout and our favorite overall doghouse. It has both clean metal lines and a cabin aesthetic. The Petsfit doghouse is also practical, with a slanted roof and translucent door flaps, so your dog can find refuge from rain. Plus, the roof opens like a trunk, with pneumatic braces that make it easy to lift the top and clean inside. The floor, made of the same spruce slats as the exterior walls, is similarly easy to remove and clean. This doghouse is best in warmer climates, since it's not well insulated. The floor, for example, is lifted off the ground, to increase airflow and keep the interior dry, but in cold weather, this would feel like drafts coming from between the floor slats. But if you want to try it out in colder weather, Petsfit sells a separate doghouse insulation kit that fits snugly inside. The all-wood construction comes with some trade-offs, like creaking floorboards and maintenance. Just like with a wood porch or deck, you may want to treat the wood for extra weather resistance on occasion. While the largest version of the doghouse is built for dogs up to 80 pounds, we believe this doghouse is better for medium-sized pooches, and we have a separate large breed recommendation. The Petsfit wooden doghouse comes with pre-drilled holes, so some assembly is required. However, it's easy to situate in your yard or other outdoor space, since it also includes 4 adjustable feet for easy leveling. Dimensions: 33.5 by 22.5 by 23 inches, small; 41 by 26 by 27.5 inches, medium; 45.5 by 31 by 32 inches, large. Materials: spruce wood, stainless steel, asphalt. Weight: 32.2 pounds, small; 46.3 pounds, medium; 55 pounds, large. Colors: light gray, yellow and white, red. Number 2. PetMate Aspen Petbarn 3 Plastic Doghouse. The PetMate Aspen Petbarn Home 3 is an affordable plastic doghouse that comes in 4 different sizes and a range of colors. We've found that online retailers often have a more limited range of options available. It's simple to assemble without tools, and though plastic has its drawbacks, it is also durable, rot-resistant, and easy to clean. The extended roof rim and raised interior floor help ward off wet weather. It's also got rear ventilation for air circulation. The top is sturdy enough to bear the weight of the dog too, if they're a fan of parkour. Dimensions: 26.5 by 18 by 16.5 inches, x small; 29 by 22 by 21 inches, small; 32 by 26 by 24 inches, medium; 38 by 29 by 30 inches, large. Materials: polypropylene plastic. Weight: 10.8 pounds, x small; 14.7 pounds, small; 21 pounds, medium; 25.26 pounds, large. Colors: various. Number 3. Midwest Homes for Pets Eilio Folding Doghouse. The Eilio shares a similar design with our overall favorite, but it requires no tools to set up. Instead, it unfolds right out of the box, with hinged sides and a hinged asphalt roof that you fold over top as a final touch. The Eilio is made from water-resistant stained wood, with a paneled, elevated floor for circulation and to ward off water. It's available in 3 sizes. There's also an insulation kit, sold separately, which will ready the Eilio doghouse for cold weather. Dimensions: 21.74 by 33.59 by 25.28 inches, small; 24.81 by 40.56 by 28.94 inches, medium; 28.55 by 45.32 by 32.88 inches, large. Materials: treated wood, asphalt. Weight: 42 pounds, small; 57 pounds, medium; 74 pounds, large. Colors: gray, tan. Number 4. PawHut Wicker Doghouse Outdoor with Canopy. The PawHut Wicker doghouse features an open design that won't provide much protection from the elements but will keep your dog in the shade. The rattan style is cute and makes it look like your dog is lounging at a resort, as they should be. The water-resistant cushion features a removable, washable cover. At 27.25 by 38.5 inches, it is most suitable for smaller breeds. There are also variants with a more extended lounging cushion and even a wicker canopy on wheels, so you can shelter your dog's favorite outdoor bed. Dimensions: 27.25 by 38.5 by 28.75 inches. Materials: rattan, cotton, fabric. Weight: 19.8 pounds. Colors: brown and cream. Number 5. TRIXIE Natura Classic Doghouse. Similar in look and design to our best overall pick, this doghouse also has a slanted asphalt roof that opens, a raised floor, and adjustable feet for leveling. The removable floor also makes for easy cleaning. It's made from traditional pine with a glazed, treated, weatherproof finish, with an asphalt roof for further weatherproofing. The Natura is available in 2 sizes, suitable for small to medium-sized dogs. Dimensions: 33.5 by 23.5 by 22.8 inches, small; 40.8 by 26.8, 28.3 inches, medium. Materials: pine wood. Weight: 29 pounds, small; 41 pounds, medium. Colors: brown, gray.